Ever found yourself juggling between the need for a fridge and a freezer? Haier presents its 301-litre chest freezer that beautifully adapts to your dynamic storage requirements. The state-of-the-art hybrid system in this freezer seamlessly shifts between freezer and refrigerator modes, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. Heading home with a week's worth of groceries? The Super Freeze function jumps into action, rapidly freezing your foods while locking in all the essential nutrients, flavors, and textures. Worried about those smaller items getting lost? The included handy basket ensures those easily misplaced items stay organized and easily accessible. And speaking of cleanliness, Haier takes it seriously. The freezer comes with an antibacterial liner, ensuring the interior remains hygienic. Durability meets efficiency in the freezer's protective lining, promising top-notch thermal performance, making sure your foods stay perfectly chilled. And when it's time for a cleanup, the detachable rubber seal gaskets alongside the Wipe Clean liner make the task undemanding. Boasting a 4-star energy rating, this freezer doesn't just store food efficiently, but does so in the most energy-conscious way. In conclusion, the Haier 301-litre chest freezer isn't just an appliance. It's a testament to adaptability and efficiency. It's time to rethink how you store your food.